All right, so I've just got this boring, plain jacket sitting in Marvelous Designer.
Hey,
And the plan is
still
to try and
wondering if you
turn
can
it
learn
into a
3D?
puffed jacket.
You can.
No idea if this
Let's
is
start
actually gonna
today,
work, but
together.
Let's give it a go. It's cold season anyway, puff jackets are everywhere, so good excuse. Let's jump straight in. Open up Marvelous Designer, get yourself a basic jacket or hoodie pattern. Doesn't matter if it's rough, we're just gonna use it as a base to build the puffiness on top. Quick tip before we get too far. You can actually switch the navigation to match Maya or Blender. If you're used to those, it'll save you loads of headache later. Now puff sleeves, this is where the fun starts. The trick is basically more fabric. So I'm duplicating the jacket fabric. Think of it like blowing up a balloon, but in 3D. I'll add some internal lines first, just to split the jacket into sections. Then I'm cloning the layers, one over, one under. The over one gets a positive pressure, like 30-ish. The under one gets negative, around negative 30. Hit simulate, and boom, it starts puffing out. Fun fact break. By the way, Marvelous Designer is literally built around how real-world sewing works. So in a way, this is like having a little tailor shop inside your laptop, except no needles stabbing your fingers. Next, I'm tweaking the fabric settings, making it softer and lighter so it looks more realistic. You can push this towards cotton, silk, even leather if you fancy, but that's a whole other video. Then, I'll clean up the seams, add a zipper, maybe slap a logo PNG on the pattern, just to give it that finished look. And there it is. The plain jacket now looks like a proper puffed jacket. Mess about, experiment, and see what happens. If you're into this kind of stuff, stick around. Subscribe to 3 Desk Art. Once we hit 1,000 subs, I'll give away a free Marvelous Designer subscription to one of you. Drop your questions or crazy design ideas in the comments, and I might just try them in the next video. All right, I'm off. Catch you in the next one.